16th is our next stop.
About 70% of your community.
Most importantly,
tak yakin sangat, tapi akak beranikan diri untuk cuba. Tak sangka, again, kena go through it again. Tapi, nak terbelit lidah bila sasis Shirota shrimp. Rasa macam saya. Inilah yang akak kena hadapi setiap hari. Buat benda yang betul dan sentiasa.
If you have any questions. So a little bit about Yakult and our company. The two products we make are the original here in the red, and then also Yakult Light here in the blue. So raise your hand if you've had the red before. Video, we're going to look at some glass displays, and that's going to have Yakult products, but from different countries. So we can see the other countries, what the products look like in Yakult.
Yakult's founder, Dr. Minoru Shirota, successfully cultured the probiotic strain Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota for the first time in the world. 5 years later, in 1935, the probiotic drink Yakult was first introduced to the Japanese market. Yakult launched sales in Taiwan in 1964, and then other parts of Asia and Europe, starting an international business. In 1990, Yakult established a company in the United States. In 2012, Yakult Light was introduced to the American market. During the same year, Lacticacei bacillus paracasei strain Shirota attained the status of generally recognized as safe by the FDA. In 2014, Yakult USA opened the California factory. People have been enjoying Yakult for more than 85 years. With our focus on the life sciences, Yakult is committed to contributing to the health and happiness of people around the world. Yakult contains the exclusive probiotic strain Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota. It's a probiotic assured by strict safety tests, and it has been enjoyed in Yakult globally for many years. Yakult incorporates the benefits of probiotics into its many types of probiotic beverages, teas, and other drinks, as well as cosmetics and pharmaceutical products which are sold worldwide. Our products are created by our advanced research institutes. The Yakult Central Institute in Japan is a global pioneer in the field of microbiological research. The European Research Center collects evidence on the benefits of Yakult from around the world. Yakult also has factories throughout the world. With its global production network, Yakult delivers its products locally in about 40 countries and regions. Here in the United States, Yakult opened its California factory in 2014. From here, we distribute Yakult drinks throughout the United States and Canada. Yakult contributes to society also through its sponsorship of sports. In Japan, Yakult owns a professional baseball team called the Yakult Swallows. In the United States, Yakult USA has a sponsorship with the Los Angeles Angels. Through our Yakult probiotic drink and contributions to local communities, we aim to make people around the world healthier and happier.
Alright, so there's more about Yakult there. It did mention the Angels as our sponsorship, so we do go to our 3D hologram video. So this can be viewed from the front or also from the back if anyone wanted to come on over here and take a look. This will show us the different countries Yakult has sold in history. Before this factory opened, we were actually importing from Mexico to sell Yakult in the United States. And we have Europe. So there's only one factory in Europe, and that's going to be in the Netherlands. Then after that display, we can look at the glass displays over here. This will just show us the different products from around the world. So as I mentioned earlier, some countries may have more products. So Mexico and Brazil more. We see some of the green ones here, the green packaging where it says plus. So that's Yakult Plus that has here. India, Indonesia, a little bit smaller. And Taiwan over here. That actually is a 10-pack. And then if you see on there, it says C, D, E, so that has extra vitamins in that Yakult. So C, D, and E vitamins. And let's see what else. South Korea, we show a single bottle. So other countries around the world, you can just buy like those factories will use like their own countries. So that could change the taste a little bit. Sugar, so that's like one thing that could add up if you have too much Yakult. But other than that, not really. For adults, we recommend 1 to 2 bottles. So So in this room, we're going to have a short video about, in the video, we're going to also see our mascot called Yakult Man. So Yakult Man will kind of answer some popular questions with Yakult, and then during the video, we're going to come around with samples. So if you want to try to
In proper amounts. In 1989, the term probiotics became widely known as a result of the work by a British microbiologist called Dr. Fuller. Today, the benefits of probiotics are even acknowledged by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, and the World Health Organization, WHO. The word probiotic comes from Greek. Pro means for, and biotic means life. So together they mean for life. The Yakult made in this California factory is packed with a probiotic strain called Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota. Probiotics are so tiny that you need a microscope to see them. Each bottle of Yakult and Yakult Light contains billions of Lacticacei bacillus paracasei strain shirota. Our original mascot, Yakult Man, will teach us more about this probiotic strain.
Should I drink Yakult every day?
To stay healthy, it is important to keep your intestinal bacteria balanced. To help with this, you can send in Lacticacei bacillus paracasei strain shirota, which reaches the intestinal tract alive, by drinking Yakult. But it doesn't stay in the intestines for long, so it's best to send in new helpers every day. It's important to drink Yakult every day.
Yakult. Tell us, Yakult Man. Why does Yakult come in that size?
Yakult contains live Lacticacei bacillus paracasei strain shirota, and it is a product that we want customers to drink every day. For this reason, Yakult comes in a size that makes it easy to drink every day, not too much and not too little. Also, because it is small enough to finish in one gulp, it helps to hygienically maintain quality. Yakult comes in a size that makes daily consumption easy.
Yakult. Tell us, Yakult Man. Should we shake Yakult before drinking?
Over time, some of the nutrients in Yakult can sink to the bottom of the bottle. So shake well before drinking. Shake your Yakult well before drinking.
Yakult.
Thank you, Yakult Man. Now we know that the probiotic strain Lacticacei bacillus paracasei shirota reaches our intestinal tract alive. Our digestive system naturally contains trillions of bacteria. You might be surprised to know they are crucial for a long and healthy life. Our gut is home to many different kinds of bacteria. And what's important is to keep those bacteria with a surface area as large as a tennis court in our gut health by exercising regularly. Along with such healthy habits, drinking Yakult or consuming other forms of probiotics are all products that claim to for our digestive system. To be sure that the microbes, so it's best to send in new helpers every day by drinking a delicious probiotic drink like Yakult. In 1921, our founder, Dr. Minoru Shirota, began studying medicine in Japan. At the time, Japan was still probiotics strain Lacticaceae bacillus. Here's a quick recap on Yakult. Yakult is a delicious probiotic drink invented in Japan. Millions of people around the world drink Yakult every day. Each bottle contains billions of live and active probiotic bacteria called Lacticaceae bacillus paracasei strain Shirota. Yakult contains no cholesterol, no fat, and no gluten.
All right, so unfortunately for this part of the tour, you guys. So before we saw those tanks for refrigerated or anything like that, but actually for bottle making inside this room during the summer, it actually gets up to 90.
Y sigue pasando hasta
Y la sellan también.
Ajá.
La
Y
sellan.
creo que esas no están en
Refrigerator, and then where we hold everything.
How many hours do you have to deliver all your poultry stores?
And then now it starts once again, so. But yeah, let me know if you need any help with pictures too, of course.